Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to create an account on your Wattpad. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Now, to create an account on Wattpad, first of all, tap open Wattpad app on your phone. Now you can see an option to join Wattpad for free. Tap on join for free. You are now redirected to the page from where you can create an account. Now enter few details such as email, username, password, your birthday, and you can create an account. You can also create an account either using your Facebook or your Google. Now to create an account, type your email address, your username, your password. Scroll down to select your year of birth, select your month of birth, your date of birth, and tap on Set. Wattpad wants to know you better, so choose the option for I like to read, I like to write, or I like both, and tap on Next. Now select an option for what best describes you as a writer. You write for fun, or exploring opportunities, or pursuing character, professional writer, or none of these options. Tap on one of the option. Now, have you ever written a novel? If yes, tap on yes. If almost, then tap on almost. If no, then tap on no. Now tap how you identify as he, him, she, her, or they, them. Tap on the option and select next. Now choose 3 categories you enjoy reading the most and tap on finish. Now either subscribe to Wattpad Premium to get free for 7 days or tap on not now. Your account has been set. Now start reading.